All aboard Flea and Farmers Market. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. Well, I'm at this pretty good sized flea market here, just looking around. There is a lot of vendors, a lot of cars. They're even parking on the streets here, but there's a couple people I want you guys to meet. I follow them on YouTube all the time. It's Ashley and Jon. They're with Stack Golf. They know everything about golf clubs that you can think of, probably answer every question you want to know. They probably know more than the manufacturers themselves. They go to a lot of flea markets and buy golf clubs, pawn shops all over the place. They also play golf. Awesome couple. We'll see if we can find them. When they first started their channel, I think I was like number 100. And then one day I accidentally hit unsubscribe, then I resubscribed, so I'm probably like number 90,000 now, because they're almost up to 100,000 people. That's pretty cool. Oh, a lot of stuff in here. These old 8-tracks. Anne Murray's greatest hits.
There you go.
Oh, Evel Knievel lunchbox and Batman. Pretty cool. These kids today probably don't know what a lunchbox even is. Holy mackerel, need a laptop? A lot of baseball cards. Definitely have to go through them all. I'm sure there's some in there worth some good money. Dale Earnhardt gold card.
Bottle opener, girl.
Oh, I see Jon. I don't see Ash. Hey, Jon. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Mark the Lost Traveler.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, you come all the time?
I come all the time. Yeah, I subscribed. I think I subscribed to you guys when I was like number 100.
Oh, wow. You've
Yeah.
seen some terrible videos.
I've seen a lot of videos from you guys. Yeah, I think, well, one day I hit I hit unsubscribe one day by accident, and then I had resubscribe, so I'm probably like number 90,000 now. So, yeah, always at the end of the videos, I'm always like, best smiling couple on YouTube, best so-and-so couple, best so-and-so, and I always put like 100,000 K golf tournament.
Yeah.
I'm always putting that down. Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
Ashley should be back here in a second. She's probably getting food, I think.
Oh, Ashley's around? Is your dad here?
Yeah, they're over there at the food stand, I think.
Oh, your mom's here?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
She's a big spender. She got
Jon's mom's over here. How you doing? Did you play, oh hey Ash, did you play on the golf, did you play golf up in college?
No, I didn't play in college.
Because you guys hit the ball, so you hit the ball pure all the time.
I can't
You know,
putt,
it's
though.
like, yeah, well, world's greatest putter, you know.
together,
Hey everybody,
okay.
it's world's greatest putter, Ashley. Yeah.
The Lost Traveler, he always comments the...
Yeah, I was telling him I'm the one that always puts like world's best something on YouTube, best couple, best smiling couple, best this.
Can we get all these awards?
Yeah, 100,000. I'll keep going. When's the 100,000 golf tournament, staff golf tournament? Please, please, please. You probably get 1 million people on that thing. Yeah, but yeah, I was telling him I was like number 100 subscriber.
Yeah, that's
I
right.
You know, and then I told him by accident I hit the unsubscribe button one day. And then I was like, oh, and then hit resubscribe, so I probably went from 100 to like 90,000.
I remember you though, even back then.
Yeah. So I was waiting to say hello to your dad, but
He's actually at the food truck.
oh,
He's
food
at
truck.
He's
So
almost done.
He's got his priorities right.
oh yeah,
They
so
make hand-cut fries there that are phenomenal. So
oh really?
it's worth the wait.
Oh nice. I think I'll go over there and do that. Well, it was really nice meeting
Yeah,
you guys.
nice
It was a
meeting you.
pleasure. You know, I wanted to come see Jon and Ashley, but it was you I really wanted to see. You know? Oh yeah. I mean, yeah. You know, like the world's best striking golfer, world's best putter, but you know, mom and dad. You know, it's where it's at right there. I'm gonna have definitely go try those hand cut fries.
You want one? Want to taste? Try it.
Oh yeah, okay.
They're very
Wow, it's really hard to convince me to.
hot.
Very hot.
Let me.
Go ahead.
I'm not gonna double dip.
Double dip.
Oh,
George Costanza.
oh, ladies and gentlemen, those are really good.
They are. Over
Oh, we're gonna have to go get some. Well, it was nice meeting everybody.
Oh, yeah.
Great family.
Yeah,
Everybody on YouTube, love you guys. It's great. Oh, and we got a free sample. I mean, what better than that?
One-stop shop.
Holy mackerel, need some tools?
Hey, how you doing? Hey, good man. Well, you got some nice things here, huh?
Yeah.
Well, this is neat too.
All kinds of plants for sale. That was pretty cool walking around and also meeting Ashley and Jon. Subscribe to their channel. It's Stat Golf. And on that note, I'm going to give it to two special guests. Oh, yeah, you got to do the wave. Okay.
Make sure you subscribe and
Traveler
traveler
out. Bye, guys.